Hello, and welcome to Vegetarians and Meat Lovers, the podcast that will give you split table recipes. Is your family composed of vegetarians and meat eaters? Do some of those in your family only go for the meatless portions while others love meat? Do you want to feed both vegetarians and meat eaters easily at the same time? Well, if so, your situation is just like my family's. My name is Julie Hogue, and yep, I'm the vegetarian in a family of meat lovers. I've had to learn to cook for both types of diets for every meal for the last 27 years, so I've had a lot of experience. It's not as hard as you'd think to cook to accommodate both types of diets, but it does take paying attention to detail, thinking outside the box, and a bit of extra work, but less work than being a short order cook. But the good news is it's very possible to do. In this podcast, I will share tips, advice, and recipes to help you feed your family better with less time with one recipe. I can't wait to share all the amazing ways to cook for a split table of vegetarians and meat eaters. Thank you for listening. Have an amazing day.